Ingredients for the macarons: 1 cup powdered sugar, 3/4 cup almond flour, 2 large egg whites at room temperature, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, gel food coloring, assorted colors. For the buttercream filling: 1/2 cup unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, gel food coloring, assorted colors. Instructions: line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Set aside. In a medium bowl, sift together the powdered sugar and almond flour. In a separate bowl, beat the egg whites with an electric mixer on medium speed until foamy. Gradually add the granulated sugar and continue to beat until stiff peaks form. You should have a glossy meringue consistency. Gently fold the sifted powdered sugar and almond flour mixture into the beaten egg whites. Be careful not to overmix, as this will deflate the batter. The batter should be thick and smooth. Divide the batter into separate bowls, depending on how many colors you want to use. Add a small amount of gel food coloring to each bowl and gently fold until the color is evenly distributed. Transfer each colored batter into separate piping bags fitted with a round tip. Pipe small circles, about 1 inch in diameter, onto the prepared baking sheets. Leave some space between each macaron shell to allow for spreading. Once all the macaron shells are piped, tap the baking sheets firmly on the counter to release any air bubbles. This will help prevent the macarons from cracking. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Bake the macarons for 15 to 18 minutes, rotating the baking sheets halfway through baking. The macarons should be set and firm to the touch, but not browned. Remove the macarons from the oven and let them cool completely on the baking sheets before attempting to remove them. Let the macarons sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes to 1 hour to allow a skin to form on the surface. This step is important to help the macarons develop their characteristic feet during baking. While the macarons are cooling, prepare the buttercream filling. In a bowl, beat the butter until creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract, and continue beating until light and fluffy. Divide the buttercream into separate bowls and add a small amount of gel food coloring to each bowl. Mix well until the colors are evenly incorporated. Gently press the other half of each macaron on top of the buttercream, creating a sandwich. Repeat the process with the remaining macaron shells and buttercream. Place the filled macarons in an airtight container and refrigerate for at least 24 hours to allow the flavors to meld and the texture to soften. Your rainbow buttercream macarons are now ready to be enjoyed. Thanks for watching my video. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. If you liked my video, please do like and post your suggestions in the comments.